Breaking Mzansi Insider reports. Police have confirmed that National Police Commissioner General Fannie Masemola has been served with a summons to appear in court. The summons requires General Masemola to present himself before the court on a specified date to respond to matters currently before the judicial system. Authorities have not yet provided full details on the nature of the case, but the development has drawn significant public attention given his senior position within the South African Police Service, Saps. A summons is a formal legal document that compels an individual to appear in court. It does not mean the person has been arrested or found guilty of any wrongdoing, but it indicates that legal proceedings require their response or testimony. As the country's top police official, any legal matter involving General Masemola is likely to be closely watched, especially amid ongoing scrutiny of leadership and accountability within Saps. The matter has already sparked widespread public interest, with many awaiting clarity on the exact circumstances surrounding the summons and what role, if any, General Masemola is expected to play in the case. Legal experts note that once a summons is issued, the next step is for the individual to appear in court as instructed, where the matter will be formally placed on record. Depending on the nature of the proceedings, the court may either proceed with initial hearings or set a future date for a full appearance. At this stage, there has been no official indication of arrest or disciplinary action linked to the summons. However, the development places renewed focus on accountability within senior ranks of law enforcement, especially at a time when Saps is under pressure to strengthen public trust. Public reaction continues to grow following confirmation that National Police Commissioner General Fannie Masemola has been served with a court summons, with many calling for greater transparency as the matter moves through the legal system. The news has sparked widespread discussion across political circles, civil society, and social media platforms, where questions are being raised about the circumstances leading to the summons and what implications it could have for the leadership of the South African Police Service, Saps. While speculation has been circulating online, authorities have urged the public to remain patient and allow the legal process to take its course. Saps has reiterated that the summons does not indicate guilt, but is a procedural step requiring General Masemola to appear before court to respond to issues that will be formally outlined during proceedings. Officials have emphasized that it would be inappropriate to draw conclusions before the matter is heard in court and evidence is presented. At the same time, legal analysts point out that cases involving high-ranking officials often attract heightened public interest, especially when they relate to institutions responsible for law enforcement and public safety. They note that the court process will be key in determining the facts of the matter, and that all parties involved will have the opportunity to present their versions before any conclusions are reached. Within Saps structures, the development is being closely monitored, with leadership expected to ensure that operations continue without disruption. The institution has faced increasing pressure in recent years to strengthen accountability, improve public trust, and address internal challenges, making any matter involving its top leadership particularly sensitive. Government officials are also expected to observe proceedings carefully, as the outcome may have broader implications for confidence in policing structures.